Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you something that I purchased from the Hermes website. Oh my god, I can't believe that I scored something from the website, because you all should know by now it's super hard to get anything from their website actually. But here I am gonna unboxing my new Earth bag from Hermes. So I got into a habit of checking out the Hermes.com every single day for I don't know how many months had it been. The reason because they always have tons and tons of items that they put on their website. Those are really hot items as well, like Picotin, like the Herbag, mini Evelyn, what else, the 29 bag, also tons of Constant to go, Kelly to go, and Rodeo. And they always have it in good combo, like Go on Go, Black on Go, E10, Nada, Cray, I mean you name it. They have it's all in the hot combo, like the hard to get one. Oh my god, but I just don't know how. Like, you know, every time I hit the refresh button, things gonna show up and then it will be gone in just a second, just like that. And this time I spot this Herbag in the website and I was like, okay, I'll just get it. And lucky me, I was able to check this bag out, but I don't know if I like it enough to keep it. It is a wild color and this is way out of my comfort zone. This is the only handbag that I ever purchased in such a bright color combo. So here I am sharing with you guys my newest purchase from the Hermes.com. So this bag is called the Herbag Zip 31 because they are 31 centimeter across. And the reason it's called zip because in the back they have a little zip pocket pouch that you can like put stuff in here. This makes things easier to get in and out, like something that you need to get access to all the time. Okay, one thing about this bag is the close and open of this bag. You have to own one to understand what I'm talking about, because oh my god, it's a lot of work to get inside this bag. It's not easy at all. So right here, that's how you open it, and this is what it looks like from the inside. So it's gonna come with a detachable pouch as well. So it's super cool. really nice. And it's also come with a clochette and keys and the lock. So this is what it come with. But I rarely use it actually. So this is only for the purpose of decorating, not much. So inside it's really big, it's really spacious, so you can clearly put tons of things in here. This is a good work bag. But the whole thing of closing this bag is a real struggle. Why? Because this piece of leather right here, the natural leather, they are super hard to really close. So if, like, you know, you are somewhere shopping and you open the bag and now you want to close the bag, yeah, you really have to go out of your way to close it. And actually after closing it, you really have to put this piece of strap like that, yes, to secure the bag in place. Otherwise it's gonna pop open very easily, and it's not easy to really close or open this bag. So that's why every single time I remember carrying this bag to go shopping with me one time, and I was like, oh my god, it take me forever to actually get my wallet out, and after paying everything, it's actually take me some time to close it and be comfortable using it. So that's why I put my stuff in the bag. I'm only put the stuff that I don't really need inside the bag, and then the credit card holder, the phone, it will be in here. The car keys and things like that, it will be in this back pocket right here. So imagine this bag without this back pocket, I am not gonna get it at all. But this is a good work bag because this carry a tons of item, and also this type of canvas, you can always like drop it off at the dry cleaner. They will dry clean it for you. And also this right here, there is the two things right here where you can unscrew it and you can take this bag apart. The strap can be taken apart, the top holder can be taken apart, and also I have tried it before from my old Herbag that I could actually change to a new trans strap if I want to. So that's why I still want an Herbag in my collection, even though it's super hard to get in and out with, even though it gives me so much anxiety every single time I'm using it. But it's worth the trouble to have like maybe one or two of the Herbag into your collections. It's an entry level and it looks just like the Kelly. So this is the shape and the style of a Kelly. Beautiful. So if you want to look into getting an Herbag into your collection, so here is a few points that you should know about the Herbag. So for the pros, so this bag is at a good entry levels, which means the price point is very reasonable. So this bag is retail right now $2,575. And a second point is this bag, it could be dry clean. So you could took them apart and then bring it to the dry clean, and they could like, you can maintain the bag that way. So this is a good work bag. That means it could fit tons and tons of things, and also it's very durable actually. But on the other hand, it could get dirty quite easy, and the piece of leather that was on the back could be really scratchy because they are made of natural cowhide leather, and they are durable, super durable, but very easy to scratch. And again, the one thing that you should be known about this bag is it's super hard to get in and out with. So for some people, it could be really annoying. To me, it was annoying for a very long time, but I still want it in my collection because I like the shape of it, I like the look of it, and I think that most of the MS lover out there could agree with me that an Herbag is a nice addition to be added to your collection. So I am still searching for one of my perfect combo, which is the Herbag 31 zip, and I want it in an all black or the all blue or red. So I like it to be in one colors, but the reason that I go for this one, even though there are two different colors, but I just see that this yellow and this natural, they just go so well together. They are a good combo. So I just purchased this bag online from the Hermes website, and to be honest, after unboxing it and seeing it in person, I know for sure that I totally need this bag in my collection, because I just love the shape of it, and also I love the canvas. I do not have any other canvas bag in my collection that I like so much compared to the Herbag. But I only like the Herbag in the Sellier structure, and this bag is totally won my heart. But I think I have to return this bag. The reason is the color. To be honest, I really like the color. I think the color are beautiful, but I understand myself like way too well. I am gonna get this bag dirty in a heartbeat, and also the light color of the natural leather, they just got scratched like so easy. To be honest, I already noticed some of the scratch on the leather part of the bag. I do not like that. So I think, again, one more time, I'm gonna go into a search for my perfect Herbag Zip 31 in the color black. And it have to be in the Sellier structure because I do not like red tone. No, so it have to be in the Sellier structure. I mean, I submit this item to my essay a long time ago, hoping that I could get it sometime, but it's been several months, and he said that none of the Sellier has come into the shop, or if it did, it's not black on black. One time he showed me a really bright pink with the natural, and to be honest, I don't think it's beautiful at all. I think if it's pink and red, it could be acceptable, or if it's pink and pink, it would be perfect. But when it's pink and natural, it's just not something that I would like. The reason that I go ahead and order this bag in the first place is because of the yellow with the natural. They look really good together. But after seeing it in person, I decide it's better to return it now, because I know I am not gonna bring myself to use it. No. So again, one more time, I'm gonna go search for my perfect combo in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you think this video is helpful in any way, then please give me a thumb up, and also consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.